Hey everybody, this video we're going to do a unboxing and setup of the, I don't know how you say this, maybe Neatfi Bifocal 1200 lumen desktop magnifier. And I got this on Amazon for looks like $86. And I'm trying this one because I actually had this one here. This is the Oahu magnifier. And the problem with this one is all of your controls to actually, change which light's on and to dim it and everything are located right here on the handle. And they were touch sensitive, so when the air conditioning would come on, it could turn them on. I'd get up in the morning and they'd be on. Also, every time you try to touch the handle to adjust it, you would change what light's on or the brightness, and it was basically just unusable for what I do. So I'm moving it in front of me and then moving it out of the way, and it was terrible. So I went ahead and sent it back. So now we've got this one here, and I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check it out. And I guess without further ado, we'll dive into the box. All right, so we got the box here. It is white on the box. I guess that's what I ordered. And you can unbox it. And looking at this, it's got styrofoam, which I love. Alright, nothing else in there, so we'll get that out of the way. Looks like it's in there upside down, so that's interesting. Okay, we'll open her up, and we've got some kind of warranty card. More warranty information, and our actual light here. It's got a cleaning cloth, our clamp to mount it, and an actual light here. And I'm going to be careful with these. I had another one of these too that when I opened it up, the lens actually fell out, and I was not doing this on video, so I was over tile, and it just exploded all over the ground. It was about 2 weeks ago, and I'm still finding pieces of glass. So this, they've actually got wrapped up where the lens can't fall out the wrong way, which is nice. And got zip ties and everything on it. So that's what we've got here. And so I guess we're gonna head into my workshop area and see if we can get this guy set up. So we got our workbench here. That's where I'm going to be mounting it at. And I always use this it's like cabinet liner or toolbox liner. It's anti-slip when I'm putting stuff like this on. You see it here in my vise. And this is pretty straightforward. You just get it where you want it. And then just clamp it down. And then once our clamp's on there, it's just a matter of just dropping it in. Alright, so we're in there, powered up, and should be ready to go. Alright, so here we are all set up. And one thing I don't like right off the bat is there's not like a handle on it to adjust it, so to kind of loosen this and kind of move it around. One thing I do like though, it does have the lens cover on it, which they all seem to have. A nice big view. Power button is underneath. You hit it once and keep hitting it, and it gets brighter until it turns off. So it's 4 hits on it, I guess, is the maximum bright setting. And there's our light ring underneath. And then if we're looking here, we could see, I guess, this padlock, and then we go over. I don't know if I'll be able to film this or not. There you go. Kind of see the magnification on it. Alright, so this is going to work out nice, I think, for the things that I'm normally doing with it. With something like this is, hand filing keys and things like that. And this is going to make that job way easier. So I guess that's going to wrap up this video of the Neatfi or Neatfi desktop magnifier from Amazon. And I guess don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helped you out. And until next time.